Avery, you should have asked.
Hi guys, today we're making slime! Okay guys, we're back on the line. So, let's put some activator on. Sticky, because I got ink glue. So a little bit heavy. Perfect. And now you have to mix it up. Oh, it's turning real good. But it's still a little slimy. Ew! So here we have it, folks. Let's grade this to right now. This is really slimy, really. A lot of slime, guys. So now I can make a video. Subscribe to all my videos. Don't forget that. Wow. I think it needs a little bit more activator. Maybe I put a little too much. This is a lot of slime, guys, so you're subscribed to all my videos. Subscribe really good, okay? Bye. Okay, guys, so still have some slime. We're gonna do some more activator. There's like a lot of slime. And let's put a little bit more glue. Put a little bit of glue. Oh, that's a bunch of glue. Wow. Mommy, come over here. So, okay guys, here you have it, the biggest slime ever that I made. Do you want to come see this? I can't take it over there, it'll fall. Come! Look, it's so cool.
You're not filming yourself.
So guys, here we have it. 3, 2, 1.
You were not supposed to do it on the table. I thought you were doing it on the...
Well, Daddy said...
Okay, Avery, gotta go. You can do the slime on the table, okay?
No, Avery, you're not supposed to do it on the table. I don't...
Okay guys, so here's our biggest slime ever. So I hope you have a good time and keep looking at the slime. 3, 2, 1. Wow guys, so this is gonna be like a lot video, so yeah guys, there you go. Make sure to subscribe all my videos. subscribe to Avery's channel, and then have a thumbs up. Guys, this is a lot, so boys and girls really subscribe.